Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is unlocked and has at least 10% battery. This prevents interruptions. Next, open Settings from your home screen or app drawer, and once there, tap Display or use the search bar to find display options quickly. While you're in Display, make sure Do Not Disturb won't block notifications during calls. Doing this now saves time later. Once done, move to Interaction or Call Settings to prevent the screen from turning off during calls. You now open the phone app, tap the three dots or gear for settings, and choose Additional Settings. This is where call-related display behavior lives. Look for a proximity sensor option. If calls dim when you move the phone, temporarily disable that sensor or toggle any Keep Screen On During Calls switch. If you don't see those, go back to Display Right Arrow Screen Timeout and set a longer interval while on call. Make sure to test immediately with a short call so you can confirm the change. Finish by placing a short test call. Observe whether the display stays active. If the screen still turns off, clean the proximity sensor area near the earpiece. Dirt or a screen protector can cause false triggers, then retest. If issues continue, reset phone app settings or reboot the device to clear temporary faults. As a last resort, visit Settings Right Arrow General Management, Right Arrow Reset Network Settings, or contact Samsung support. Remember, you're troubleshooting stepwise. Test after each change to find the fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.